So boom, quick disclaimer real quick. I was trying to make Rex type of beat, like Rex tutorial at first. I wasn't quite Rex type of beat, but sample was fire still. So I made this tutorial from Rex to jerk. So yeah, don't get confused when I'm gonna talk about Rex in the first part of the video. Feel me? Let's get it. Let's put on a 7. Then I already got my side chain set up. It's happy as fuck. Let's make like 17 bar pattern. Also got some in like Sound Snake Suite. I layered this with the piano in my hair, like. Trust the process. Like, as soon as I add some of these like goblin waxes, like, it's gonna like turn up. By the way, you might wondering how I like do this pretty fast. Right click, mouse right click, and then D. It's like deletes fast. If you wanna clone, right click C. Let's do some melodies though. This is a free plugin, fire plugin, like emulates this like analog synth, not this particular one, but like something like that. So it's A major, but I pitched it up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, C sharp. And this happy as fuck. Alright, what's the relative minor? C sharp major relative minor. A sharp minor. It could create like a cool dissonance or whatever the down. I fuck with it, I don't give a fuck. Alright, some lead. Now I'm trying to like go up. Just go up. Hey. Oh, fuck with this. Oh, that was an accident. This was an accident and this shit's on fire. Can AI do this shit? No. Alright, let's now like arrange it. Yeah, we're pretty much done though.
1 day later.
So I just listened to this beat again and it's not Rex beat, you feel me? But then I fucked around and thought like what type of beat could I possibly like do? What type of artist though? I tried to put some jerk bounce on it, you know? And it's kind of fire. So I changed some parts, took out some basses. So I'm gonna put my own bass somewhere. So let me export that one more time. And yeah, so the Rex tutorial turned into some jerk shit, you feel me? So yeah, basically what I did, so you put the beat here, put a 160, it's 160 BPM, then stretch, resample, and I kind of speed it up. I put this basic like jerk pattern, the snare. I'm gonna put link in the description for this kit too. There's a $1 jerk kit, and this just clap every 4 step, but took out some of this like, you know, shimmy notes. and I did a little bit of time here and just looped it out. So now let me go to like pitch calculator. So my BPM was 160. Like let's say 3, 190. Okay, 2, 1. Okay, 179. So I'm ready there for real. So 2 semitones. Okay, bet. So G sharp major for real. Oh yeah, fuck with the holiday, you feel me? Comes in. Kinda cool bounce though. Let me put like a bass on this part. Put my sidechain limiter on from the bass. Alright. I'ma put like my drums on limiter too, but not as crazy like. Yeah, like that. Export it and then stretch it like down. Maybe put like some reverb. Oh, bro, that's hard, bro. It's like post processing shit. Alright, right here, delete this triangle. Yeah, like that. And let's create the automatization clip for all these changes like they so set up. You feel me? Oh, that fire as fuck. Maybe these rough transitions we can like do this. I remove some of maybe collab right here. Yeah, simpler. Filter. Just to sell it even more. This effect. Like that. Type. Feel me? Like there's a lot of like advantages to like bounce out the beat and you feel me? Make another one type shit or sample you whatever, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, that's fire fuck. So yeah, bro, that was it. Like this is how you can make this jerk, hood trap, xaviersobased type samples, you mean, whatever you want to call it. Appreciate you for watching. Sabab, like, let's get this channel to 1K. Appreciate y'all.